So hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. So, ito nga guys, dito tayo sa hotel kung saan ako nag-check-in. Kasama yung jowa ko, tapos ayun, kaling ako ng Hong Kong dito, tapos one night lang. Tapos mag-relax lang, tapos ito ready na. Pa-uwi na kami ng probinsya, Surigao guys. Tapos ito, TikTok muna kami guys, para merong banding sa TikTok, moments, FB Reels, whatever. Tapos, ayun na nga guys, para kaming mga tanga-tanga dito ng jowa ko. So, papunta na kami ng Terminal 3. O, Terminal 1 pala guys, sorry. Terminal 1 to Surigao. From Terminal 1 to Surigao Airport Terminal. So, uwi kami ng Caggiana, Dinagat Province. Dito na tayo sa loob ng terminal guys. Waiting na sa airplane. Tapos, pabiyahe na tayo guys. Ito na nga, tinatawag na. Papasok na kami ng bus. Hatid na sa airplane in the sky. So, tara guys, samahan mo kami sa aming biyahe.
Dito.
Eh, senior una na po. Ito bata. Ano? Ano mo si tata? Senior. Senior. Senior ba? Una na po. Una na po yung senior.
Bakit? Sige. Bilo rin.
Hi everyone, for your information, seat numbers can be found on top of the overhead bins. Again, seat numbers can be found on top of the overhead bins along with the seating lights. Tinapay, kunin mo rin. Ano no? Great, tinapay.
Good morning everyone, this is Captain Prince. Welcome aboard 1 bound for Surigao. Flying with me today is Captain Tant, First Officer MC, Cabin Crews K and Kathy. Our flight time is approximately 2 hours 25 minutes. We'll be cruising at an altitude of 15,000 feet. Weather in truth is reported to be cloudy and we shall expect some turbulence on our way.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seat belt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air. And push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. The cabin is pressurized. Should there be a rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks are available on selected panels with an indicator. When this happens, insert a sharp object into the pinhole. Immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you, put it over your nose and mouth, and breathe normally. Cabin crew shall assist in the administration of oxygen after a decompression. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself.